Hey, I'm Max with West Carolina, and today we're going to go over how to self-install an 844E wireless router. This is the box that you'll get, and these are the contents of the little kit you're going to get. So this is the actual 844E router itself. This is your base here, power cord, and you'll also get an Ethernet cord. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our base, and we're going to slide it on here. See, you can see it matches up here. Put that on there, slide it on, so our base is on. And if you go back to the previous video, we've already installed this 812, and so we've got all three of our lights here that are green. Our power, our broadband, and our service are green. So what we're going to do is connect this Ethernet cord to port 1, the first yellow port on this 812. All right. And our second step is get the other side and plug it into Ethernet. So it'll say ETH-WAN. We'll plug it in here and hear it click. So our next step will be to get our power cord, plug it in, plug it into the power. And our last step is there's an on-off switch here. It'll click when you get it on. And it'll go through its power cycle. It usually lasts between 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll come back in a second and show you what the second part is. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, and everything's up now. And how you can tell is if you come in here to these lights, you have your power, broadband, service, Wi-Fi 2.4G, and Wi-Fi 5G. All of these lights will be green. They'll stay solid except for this service light. It'll be flashing. If it is flashing, don't worry about it. That's what it's supposed to be doing. And so now that everything is up, this came in your box. All this has your Wi-Fi name or your SSID, and also your Wi-Fi password on it. So what we're going to do is go to our device, and as you can see, it has WCTEL Wi-Fi Connect 2.4 and the 5G. So in this case, we're just going to connect to the 5G, and our password is connect 1 2 3 and connect. And so while that's connecting, the difference between the 2.4 and the 5G radio is the 2.4 radio is broader, but it's a little weaker signal. The 5G is a smaller broadcast, but that's where you get all your speed from. So if you can, hook to your 5G. If not, the 2.4 is plenty good enough. And as you can see, our Wi-Fi is up and going. Thank you.